Hello, I'd like to show you my new light. It's a K9 bubble light. It is bubble glass and it is a dusk till dawn sensor light. It also comes with a cover if you'd like to place it over that sensor so that it just operates by switch. Here's what it looks like out of the box. I'm really happy with how it looks and how simple it is to put together. You will just need a Phillips head screwdriver to install this, and you are going to be matching up your wires. I'm going to take the two screws off the back here that's holding the plate and use the hardware to mount this up, and you're going to attach your corresponding electrical cords, your white wire with your white, black with black, and then your grounding wire. This is what it looks like during the day. I've placed that cap over the sensor, this cap right here, which allows you to see it, the light on. Look at that beautiful glow from that bubble glass. This is an LED light, so you have no light bulbs to replace. And the manufacturer says this is long lasting. It has a beautiful and simple, elegant appearance, and it fits with many different styles of home. I just love mine. Let's look at it at night. It casts a beautiful, bright light. I'm really happy with it. And when I get up close, you can still see that bubble feature in the glass. And it casts beautiful, look at how much light it casts. Very happy with it. This is not dimmable, but I flipped the switch and this is how it looks. Really seamless looking and really happy with it. I'm Amanda and I want to thank the company for this light. Take care.